Hey guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. Matthew and I appreciate you tuning in. This morning I'm going to give you a quick ride around the yard, and then we got a couple things to go over, and we'll get out of here. So. You can see the boys thought we was going for a road trip, so they come out for a ride. We'll give them a little ride. Got such a long walk to work here. I'll go the long way around, so they at least feel like I got a little bit of a ride. Finally got every white pine log we own cut up and sawed, and then these come in. I've got these three stacks of yellow pine I've got to get sawed up, cut into inventory. They've been here too long. The red oak and these long pine poles come in for a customer. He's wanting some 18-foot 2x6s. The further stack over there is what I couldn't get on the other stack of white pine and some yellow pine. And we've got this huge, it goes with this huge stack of white pine here. We've got the saw. Still waiting on customers' info on that. They also brought this smaller pile of oak goes with it. And I've got a big stack here of all mine. It's poplar, cherry, and some hickory. They come in. Got some red oak here for a customer just came in. Remnants of some walnut we saw. This pile here is leaving this week. A little miscommunication between the customer and his contractor. They hauled a bunch of junk over here. We're not going to saw. A bunch of it's chestnut oak. I'm going to sort through it, actually give it to one of my firewood guys. A little bit of the red oak and some of the pine we're going to saw for the customer. Things happen. Now yesterday, Matthew and I spent just about all day reorganizing every building and unloading and loading the kiln. You watched the video a while back of pecan or hickory. This is 2 stacks of hickory come out of the kiln. A little bit of poplar I had left, and then white oak, red oak behind it. Here's the rest of that hickory. The bottom 3 bundles, as well as right behind it, there's 3 bundles of oak and oak on top. All this has got to be run through the winding motor. Here's these big cookies we saw. We got to do something to them. That'd be a good video. And over here, we moved all our 8-foot kiln dried pine ready to sell. I got the door closed, but there's 2 bundles of spalted maple over there just come out of the kiln. And we still got our walnut and cherry we saw waiting on the customer to pick up. pine ready to kiln dry. They just walk in over here. Okay, boys, ride's over. Time to go to work. Over here, I don't show this building too often because it's just storage. The spalted ambrosia maple is one of our biggest videos ever. This is kiln dried now. We got a secondary process it. Had some cherry for the same customer. Here's some T&G pine. This is for our ceiling in the workshop. Just hadn't had time to get to it. A couple 4x12s, or yeah, 3x12s for a customer doing stair treads. Some rainbow poplar. And then we went and resegregated all this, got it organized. I got my 4s and 6-inch white pine here. I got all my 8-inch white pine here, as well as our 10-inch white pine. Can't say it enough, guys. You got to stay organized. You got to keep tabs on your inventory. Takes a lot of work. It don't happen by accident. Now, today's video was mainly to let you know we wasn't going to have a long form video today. Matthew and I have been invited to be on Two Brothers Outdoors podcast for next little while. One of their regular members having some difficulty, so we were I was very pleased, and we graciously accepted. Of course, we still got Matthew's boat sitting here, but we'll be on tonight at 8 o'clock. Tonight's topic is timber frame and different things. I don't know a whole lot about timber framing, but I do know some of the guests that's going to be on tonight have a great deal of experience of timber framing, so I hope to learn. If you got any questions for Matthew and I or the whole forum, jump on and ask them. We'll do our best to answer them. It's hot already, guys. But as always, we appreciate each and every one of you watching. There'll be a link in the description to the podcast. It starts at 8 o'clock Eastern time. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.